Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a corset wrap top. Let's get into it. For this DIY, you will need all the items I've listed here. If you don't have a dress or pattern to trace, you can cut out a rectangle and start narrowing the shape as you get to the other end. The measurements are 140 by 25 centimeters. I folded my fabric in half because I wanted more firmness, but you can choose to only have one layer of fabric. Place your pattern or dress on the fabric and cut it out 2 times for each strap. Here I have 2 double strap pieces I will sew together right sides facing, and once sewed together I will flip the right side outward and hem the bottom with the serger. If you've cut up one single fabric piece, then you fold and hem the sides and use the serger on the bottom. So after sewing your straps together, they will look like this. And now we will attach the straps to the corset belt. For the black corset top, I placed the straps at the back of the belt. This will give you a more revealing cleavage. Open up the belt, put the wrong side up, and pin the strap from the Velcro part to the middle of the belt. Make sure you pull the belt as you sew the strap on. Do this for both sides. Now for the wrap top, it's the same concept, but we attach the straps on the front of the corset belt like so. Place the strap on the wrong side of the corset belt, sew on the leather part, and then pull the fabric when you reach the elastic to sew the rest of the strap up until the middle of the belt. And those were all the steps that you need to know to make this corset wrap top. Here I am rocking my corset wrap top in different colors. I'm so in love with it, I'll be ready to make this in every color. Let me know in the comment which corset is your fave.